world, welcome to the 59th video on my channel where I'm building my own digital assistant named Shane, like Jarvis from the Iron Man movies and comics, or as we'll discuss in this video, like Edith from the Spider-Man movie. So if you rewind back to August of 2019 when I first started creating this channel, we experimented a little bit with facial recognition. So basically I just made a video where I followed step by step another YouTuber's tutorial on how to use face recognition, and it worked. So I'll post a link to that video in the description. But we didn't really know what we were doing. I literally just copied and pasted it. I did write it myself as he was going through it, but we didn't know how to use it because I didn't understand the fundamentals behind it. So I didn't really know how to use it in my program. So if I want to use facial recognition to start or to authenticate with Shane, then I didn't know how to use that. So we're going to start with facial recognition step by step. So this is the eventual goal from Spider-Man movie.
Stand by for retinol and biometric scan. Retinol and biometric scan accepted.
Hello?
Hello, Peter.
Alright, so that's the eventual goal. So in that video it uses retina and biometric information, but we'll start off with just facial recognition for now. So in today's video, as we go step by step through this process, we're going to simply take a picture with our webcam. So I'm going to use the webcam that's installed into my laptop. I'm recording with a webcam that's separate, and so that way you could see my glorious beard as I'm still teleworking, and that's important. So we're going to quickly take a picture, and that is what Shane will use to authenticate whom is using Shane. So we're going to start off in the code. So first, go to your command prompt and pip install opencv. So that's the library we're going to use, and we're going to input cv2. Okay, next we're going to assign a camera port. 0 is the laptop camera that I have installed. 0 is whatever your default camera is. I recommend using some frame pause, so I put 30 frames, so that's a half a second or a second, to allow the camera to adjust for brightness. Then you want to establish your camera, so camera equals cv2.video camera video capture, and we're passing it the camera port which we established here. If you have multiple cameras, then you need to establish which camera you want to use. Then we're going to define a function called getImage, and we're going to assign it two variables that we'll get from the camera read, and we're going to return one of them. Then for I in range of these frames that we assign here, so 30 frames, we're going to get the image after these 30 frames. Then we're going to print capture face. Then we're going to call this getImage, that's up here right here. So the first 30 frames, it's going to store those 30 frames in a file called temp, which we don't have defined. Then it's going to say capturing face, which means it's really going to take the picture. Then it's going to get the image, that's the method you call getImage, and we're going to save it here, file test image. Let's make sure that is deleted so you can see the new one. Alright, so if you don't have the file location set, it'll save it to the root folder of where your project in PyCharm is located. Okay, then we're going to use this IMWrite to save the file, which is here, and the camera capture. And then you need to turn off the camera. So that's called delete camera, which is releases. And then you do a print statement that says picture taken. So that's the code. I will extend this real quick. give you a chance to pause the video and see the code full for yourself. All right. And now we're going to get into the cute Asian girl pose and take a picture of ourselves. Here we go. All right. So let's see what that looks like. All right, perfect. So in the next video, we're going to create a face recognition program. And then we're going to combine the two where I'm going to start Shane. It's going to take a picture. It's going to do facial recognition on that picture and determine whether it's me or not. So I hope you enjoy my beard. I mean my video. And it's been 20 plus years in the military, so this is super exciting for me. Leave a comment if you enjoyed my beard, and please remember to subscribe and like this video. Thanks. Goodbye, world.